What's up, everybody? Here Ivan gonna do this video on what's PPCall. Been having a lot of questions. What's that? How it works and everything. So I'm gonna do it fast. On what I'm doing and everything. So PPCall, you promote a phone number, this one, instead of a website. You promote what I'm doing right now. Is Google Ads. So I getting the coupons, the 75 coupons for free when you spend 25. So I'm saving money on that. So yeah, this is the number I promote on Google. So how it works, this is a tax debt relief of free consultation. This is the one I'm promoting right now. So this is how it works. I earn 55 per call that passes the qualifier of 2 minutes or longer. So I just get paid $55 if the person stays for 2 minutes or longer. If they stay 20 minutes or longer, I earn 75. So that's awesome. CPA marketing, you get paid how much? All depends on the offer, $1 to $5 per email. And you have to promote websites. I'm just on landing page because sometimes banks doesn't want to approve them. It's a lot of shit about in CPA marketing. So right here's more easier. You gotta promote a phone number. There's a lot of tricks about to promote it on Google Ads. There's a lot of tricks involved. You just think that you're just gonna promote a phone number like that. No, there's some steps involved. You gotta have a website, but you can do it. You get a website. They just need a website with a phone number. That's it. Google. That's where they're asking, so you can promote a phone number. But usually the people that click on Google, they're not gonna see the website. They're going straight to the car. So there's a lot of steps involved. That's why a lot of people don't know about this. But yeah, this is how it works. So this is my earnings so far since when? Monday. Yeah, I get paid every 30 days on CJ. CJ is called the site. Commission conjunction. So there's a lot of networks that you can apply. Like this one, just go to offer bar and on search put on pay per call. So right here is where you apply the for the networks. Like this one's rehab. I'm gonna start doing rehab again. I was doing it before on PPCall, but I wasn't doing it on Google Ads. I was doing it on Craigslist, on CL, and what else? Bing Ads. But Bing Ads sometimes didn't want to prove the phone number. You gotta do a lot of steps in Bing Ads, and CL they flag your post. So that's why right now on Google it's awesome. It's freaking easy. So that's why I started. I started to watch some trainings again, and awesome. It's the best right now on Google. So like this one, I have the rehab. I have this one. I think they paid 100. 800, but they gotta join the rehab, so you get paid $100 per lead. So this one is cool. I like this one. Rehab raw 2 minutes call. Oh yeah, this is awesome per lead. Wow, I gotta apply for this one. It's awesome. Rehab. Wow. Good thing I make this video, or else I wouldn't see it. But usually I have this one. I think they pay 800, but they have to join. They have to have PPCall insurance and all that. So it works, people. But this one is more easier. 2 minutes call duration. Awesome, huh? Wow. I was gonna do this one tomorrow on the other network that I have, but yeah, I'm gonna start. This is awesome. I'm gonna start with this one. I'm gonna play right now, and yeah, the usually I go the most is on home service too. Let me see. Or lawyers. They pay like 100 the lawyers. That's what I'm doing right now. Lawyers. And yeah, home service. It works, people. It works. A lot of people looking for home service. Like this one. Solar installation. So yeah, this one's convert pretty good. I like this one. They pay you 35 for 90 seconds. Yeah, if the person stays for 90 seconds, you get paid $35. Yeah, usually there are operators that are 24/7, but usually sometimes, like on this one, and some of them they tell you how what time to promote. Like they tell you from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So like right here, yeah, like this one. That's what I'm talking about. If you promote it after 9, you won't get credit, or before. So you gotta watch out for that. And yes, it's awesome. Right now with this on Google, it's awesome right now. Super easy. That I'm not I'm not stressing enough. So you wanna learn? I want to join my CPA marketing training. Just go right here, CPA-marketing-training.com, and click on pricing. And join the 300. This one, sign up. The 300, I will teach you some the basics of PPCall. So you at least can make 100, 800, at least 500 to start, and then you can scale it up. I will show you. I might do another training for 500. So the more advanced on PPCall. But for now, I have this one, the basics. So you get the hang. Because if I show you the advanced, you're gonna get confused at first. You're gonna get confused. It's normal. Since you don't know nothing about. If you know Google, that's awesome. You will smash it. But yeah, I'm thinking of putting the other level right here, 500, for the advanced PPCall. So yes, and usually to learn PPCall, it costs a lot of money, like 2K, 1K. That's what a lot of entrepreneurs leaders that know about PPCall, that's what they charge. Normally $1,000 at least. And yeah, I seen those trainings and they're awesome too. But to pay that price, I said nah, it's a lot of money for people. But yeah, I'm gonna start doing next week offline PPCall. It's something different. They can do it in your local city. Just go talk to clients, like go to the dentist. Or no, don't go. Just call them. Hey, you need leads for your business. Just talk. I have all the training right here on there. So if you don't like doing this on online, you can do it offline too. You just gotta talk with clients like dentists, lawyers, and tell them that you can get them at least 5 to 10 leads, and they will say yes. How it works, and you can charge them per lead like $100 or more. Because usually, if they make a sale, they usually get like 4K for the client. 4K, since especially dentists, a lot of people have insurance and all that. They're willing to pay that for a lead. And you know, lawyers, they get 5,000 sometimes for a legal action, a sue or something. So you know, I know about lawyers, so they get a lot of money. So they give like 20K sometimes per client. But usually just charge them 100. That's why they pay right here, like right here on PPCall, like $100 per lead. But this is more. You can charge them more on local, like maybe 300. Maybe 300. They will give you, if they see that you're getting them leads every day. They'll say, okay, yeah, I will give you 500. Yeah. So I'm gonna start doing that maybe next week, offline. So you wanna learn that? Just join right here too, the 300. So yeah, that's it, people. Let me know if you have questions. I'm gonna put this video on YouTube, and so you can subscribe and everything. All right. Thanks for watching the video. See you. Bye.